Hi everyone, my name is Amit Sharma. I am representing Venus Energy and Consultants Private Limited, and I am holding the position of Director and CEO in this company. Basically, the company was incorporated on 5th of March 2019 as a one-person company, and very recently, the company has been converted into the private limited company on 22nd September 2021. And we basically work into the area of the power sector, covering generation, transmission, and distribution side. And very recently, we have also amended our memorandum of association and article of association, keeping in view of the market opportunities and market potential to cover up the software part also. Matlab. So we are very much interested, and in fact, we are working in this area, especially in the area of the data analytics and energy management solutions part, to develop some kind of prototype. So we have already surpassed that ideation stage. Now we are, one step below the scaling part. That is the early traction part. And presently we are in the advanced talks with various technological partners and service providers to develop some kind of prototype to cater to the requirement of the various power distribution utilities. And one such opportunity that we have envisaged is into the area of the smart prepaid metering project. Basically, this smart prepaid metering project is focused on to cut down the AT&C losses of the power distribution utilities, because the power utilities, they used to receive various types of grants from the state government as well as the central government for reducing their AT&C losses. So let's begin matlab, with this presentation, and let me take you to through our our concept and going way forward. So first of all, what is a smart meter? A smart meter is basically an electronics device that records information such as consumption, electrical energy, voltage, current, power factor. And these smart meter data flow basically covers data generation, data collection, data processing, data analytics, and decision action. Few of the features is already given below, that it communicates the necessary information to the consumers, primarily facilitate electricity utilities, typically records various electrical parameters like voltage, current, power factor. It also records temper events. It enables the two-way communication, between the power service provider and the consumer. And it makes use of various kind of communication technologies, being wireless or wired, like PLCC, power line carrier communication, cellular, Wi-Fi, LoRa, long range, Zigbee, RF, radio frequency mesh network, and narrow NB IoT, narrow band Internet of the Things technologies. So in this slide, I just wanted to, tell you people the smart metering system. Basically, this smart metering system, it consists of, four parts. One is the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, which provides the meters. Second is the system integration part. The third one is the communication part, and fourth one is the data analytics part. So smart meter system, basically, it has got various benefits. Few of the benefits, they are being highlighted here, like for customer and regulator point of view, utility operations point of view, government future policy point of view, utility balance sheet point of view. So these are some of the benefits which are going to be achieved using this smart metering system and associated data analytics softwares, which I am going to cover in my next slides. And these data analytics, they are of our interest, to develop complete prototype and to and to cater to the needs of the market. So these are some of the key technical considerations related to the smart prepaid metering project: performance efficiency, operational excellence, reliability, security, cost optimization. And these are some of the, this slide basically tells us about the SWOT analysis: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And here in this slide, now this slide is very important from, developing this prototype point of view, as well as the market potential of this so-called data analytics software. So very recently, the central government, they have come out with this scheme called Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme. And this scheme is around 40 billion US dollars. It has to be infused in next, 3 to 5 years in strengthening the power distribution sector. And this 40 billion US dollar, it covers four segments. One is the metering infrastructure, second is the distribution infrastructure, third is the project management consultancy, and the fourth part is the capacity building programs. So under this revamped distribution sector scheme, as you are seeing that basically it focuses on providing the reliable power to all the consumers 24 by 7 power, reduce the AT&C losses below 15%, reduction of ACS average cost of supply minus average realization rate gap to zero. And this scheme has basically following three parts, which I just talked about. So this is the existing scenario. In India, the average AT&C loss level at the national level, it is around 21.05%. And there is a huge gap between average cost of supply and average revenue. As you must have seen that it varies from 0 to 2.64. And the government has come out with the various schemes in the past, Uday 1, Uday 2, RDSS recently, to mandate the utilities to reduce their AT&C losses in order to make the power sector, especially the power distribution side, financially viable. And right now, the all India level, the smart metering deployment status is around only 33 lakhs smart meters they have been installed out of 25 crore smart meters which has to be installed in the next 3 to 5 years. So it roughly comes out to be 1.3%. So you can imagine still more than 99% meters are still to be still to be replaced and installed. And so there is a lot of business opportunity here in this smart prepaid metering project, not only from the deployment point of view, but from the data analytics point of view, because from the meters you will receive a lot of electrical parameters, meter information, temper events, which needs to be analyzed. And our main objective is to develop a prototype or software which addresses the problem of the utility by analyzing this meter data, which is very big in number. Right now, the utility is making use of this metering parameters only for the billing and collection purposes. But our software, which we are thinking to to develop, it will resolve, or it will address various problem of the utilities in a way, like it not only uses for timely generation of the bill and collection of the dues from the consumer, but it also helps the utility to to look after their network operations, to do the capex planning, to do the network planning, to gauge the performance of the individuals, and various other things. So our main focus is to develop this meter data analysis software. So this is the need of the offering, that to improve the billing and collection, to improve the profit margins, to enhance the customer satisfaction, to make the utility financially viable, to meet all the regulatory compliances and network ability like SAFI, SADI, CAFE, CADI, to closely monitor the consumer behavior, to reduce the additional O&M expenses, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the cost benefit and analysis from the utility point of view: increased collection efficiency, increased billing efficiency, reduction in AT&C losses, reduction in O&M cost, reduction in ACS minus ARR gap, reduction in regulatory assets, short simple payback period on the investments. So these are some of the project requirements, like you need to have smart meters, head-end system, MDMS system, approach to troubleshoot, analytics software, mobile application, cloud administration. So this diagram is basically represent the smart metering. On the left hand side, you will be able to see that there are so many smart meters. The data will be collected by the DCU data concentrated unit, and then it will be transferred to the head-end system, which is called the meter data acquisition system. And from this MDAS, it will go to the meter data management system, and then finally to the this data analytics part, to where we are mainly interested. The in previously that I talked about the meter data analysis software. So this is the area where which we are interested to develop the data analytics software solution for the utilities. So now here it is the proposed system, smart meter solution for electric utilities with following key features: supply installation, dynamic tariff, head-end system, MDM, web dashboards, consumer survey, and so on. This is the MIS and dashboard. So our proposed software, it will cover all the functionalities so that the top management will be able to take the appropriate decision based on the report generation, and at the same time from the data point of view or data review point of view or data usage point of view, for down the level various divisional engineers or zonal engineers, circle heads, they can also make use of this data analysis reports for planning their network and to enhance their performance efficiency. So our software is also capable to address the complaint management system. So once you will identify that there is some problem in the power supply, using the meter data analysis software, the utility people, then they can immediately take the corrective action by way of deploying their crew to the to the faulty location and to address the consumer problem. And these are some of the snapshots of the various types of functionalities which we are going to develop in our software, in this meter data analysis software. Various kind of reports will be generated on the monthly basis, daily basis, or on the yearly basis. These are the graphical representation. And one more thing I would like to tell here, that in this video we talked only about the data analytics part from the power distribution point of view. But please note that we are also working in the area of the renewables like solar, wind, and hydro to provide similar kind of software solutions to the various renewable generators also. Because as you know that the Indian government has recently announced the target of 500 gigawatt by 2030 in the Glasgow COP26 summit. So various kind of business opportunities also lies in the renewable side also. For instance, if I talk about the generation point of view, as you know that the renewable generation is not very reliable. So there is a lot of scope in developing the software related to the generation forecasting and demand forecasting. So we are also working in those areas also to to address or to develop all these solutions for the renewables also, apart from the power distribution side. I hope that I'll be able to justify our vision and the kind of projects we are working, and the kind of vision we are having, uh, uh, you know uh, from both from the business point of view and from the market needs also. And still, if you require any more information, please be free to reach out to us, and I'll address all those your queries and questions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much in advance for consideration our request, and thank you so much. Thank you.